Nutrients and nutrient loss is a huge concern, especially with what we're seeing in this climate shift. My name is Adam Hainer. My farm is Juniper Hill Farm in Wadhams, New York. Juniper Hill Farm produces about 100 acres of certified organic vegetables. Every vegetable and fruit you can grow up here, from asparagus to blueberries, zucchini, everybody's favorite, the tomatoes. We grow about 50 different varieties of tomatoes. I'd say we consistently feed several thousand families a week from our production. Sustainable agriculture means to me a system by which we can nourish our bodies and our communities for a long time coming. It's an incredibly hard thing to achieve, and I think the best we can do is try every day, and that's what we do here. I think it's really important for consumers to understand their place in making this whole system work. When you go to your local farmer's market or you pick up the produce of a local farm, it's helping change this system, even though I fully understand that our products are more expensive. The money goes directly to the farm and to the farm employees and directly back into the community that farm supports. If we could just pay 10% more attention to what we're buying, I can guarantee some level of change.